Now, this orange bar actually represents a gap in futures. Most often what's going to happen is the price is going to drop all the way through in order to fill this gap. Back here, let me show you an example of what this looks like. We saw a major gap, but what the price did was shoot up just to barely surpass that level and then drop back down. Bitcoin is officially broken out of its symmetrical triangle pattern as predicted in last week's videos. And at this point, we are looking even more bearish than before, possibly dropping as far down as $38,000. Let's find out why in this video. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us in today's video. And if you enjoy, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. Before we get started, just a couple of announcements here. The brand new Christmas indicator sale is live, and this ends Friday. Now, this gives you up to $650 worth of savings. Take advantage of this sale now. Right down here, this person made $3,100 with us using these indicators. This person earned 16% right off the bat. This person was up $9,000 with their account up over 39%. Absolutely insane what these indicators have been able to do. If we head over to the trade setups page, we are now 110 wins, 0 losses with 3 active trades. Let's view that performance record for the proof. If we scroll down here, take a look at every single one of these green cells. 4% trade wins all the way down. And recently, we've been taking much bigger trades, 6%, 10%, 7%. Absolutely crazy what our members have earned recently. We still have 3 active trades for you to join. And congratulations to anyone that took the Shiba Inu trade called out on December 12th. Congratulations, you are now in an 8% profit. Absolutely crazy. All thanks to the indicators that are on sale right now. You do not want to miss out. One last thing before we get started, if we head over to the Future Forecast tab, this is where you're going to find members-only content. Now, tomorrow, the founder of Trade Confident himself, Travis Martin, is going to be talking to you and giving you a masterclass on how to use these indicators. Snag a membership to maximize your possible savings on the indicators, and stay tuned tomorrow for a huge tutorial on how to use them. With that, we're going to head into the charts. Scrolling down to Bitcoin, the very first metric we're going to take a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. Now, over the weekend, we had dropped into anxious territory. We are still currently there, and most often this is actually where we're going to see moves back up in price. So this is a very bullish reading. Keep in mind though, I am still thinking we're going to move bearish. We still have room to drop, and because of that, I wouldn't be surprised if we dropped all the way down into fearful territory. I'll explain more about that a little bit later. Stay tuned, and for now we're going to be looking at the volatility breakout detector. Now, every time this metric drops below the breakout zone, you really want to pay attention, because this is where massive moves in the market are happening. We call this one the jackpot indicator, but keep in mind, this metric does not call out direction, only the possible size of the next move. If we want to pay attention to the direction of the market, we need to see what whales are doing. The whale smart money metric projects long trade sentiment in Bitcoin whales futures. We're seeing an orange bar to the upside, and previously any slight amount of long trade sentiment has resulted in moves up. So keep in mind that as the price drops, these long trade signals are going to get stronger and stronger. It seems as though the metrics have adjusted to the current market, so it's going to be around the 800 to 600 level that we're really looking for those moves up. Just as you can see right here, all the way back here. Stay tuned for that move on the whale smart money metric. This will show you what whales are likely to do soon. Let's check out what whales are actively doing today with the whale money flow relative to price chart. Unfortunately, whales are dropping money out of the market. Now, previously I had predicted a structure support right here, and I still think that could stand. If whale money bounces off this support and begins moving up, this should push the price up as well. It is absolutely possible, but keep in mind, if we drop below this support, this is actually going to be extremely bearish. As whale money continues dropping out of the market, this is where we're going to see significant moves down in Bitcoin. So watch out. We need to pay very close attention to this metric, whether we bounce or drop at our current level. Next up, we have a brand new structure resistance posted on this metric. This is the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. We have major structure support at $38,000 and major structure resistance at $45,000. This is our current high for 2023, or actually this bull market so far in general. Very excited to see that. Unfortunately, we have rejected and are moving back down, and I still think $38,000 is a very likely target. Last but not least is the Bitcoin trade signals chart. We got a beautiful strong sell signal after every single one of our metrics pretty much maximized their bearish sentiment. When you see confluence between strong sell signals and general bearish signals from the rest of the metrics, this is where you're looking for moves down. I know we had a couple of invalidated signals, but once again, the major bearishness in the general market here caused the price to drop as well. As the price drops, we will be looking for buy signals. As bullish signals line up, we should be seeing moves up anytime we get a strong buy or regular buy signal. Stay on the lookout for that and pay attention to every single one of these Bitcoin metrics. On top of the indicators, these have helped us earn that 110 win, 0 loss trading record. Our members get access to Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. They're going to get access to the future forecast video, masterclass is coming out tomorrow, the trade setups, 110 wins, 0 losses, morning brew overview, all the data you need every single weekday morning in one place, Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts, and massive discounts on our indicators. And of course, there's plenty more money-making benefits. So if you want to access our membership, you can do so at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the first link. Click that. Scroll down. The full access membership is what you're looking for. Keep in mind, this is a limited time special. Price increases up to $95 a month are coming soon. Scroll down here. It's going to give you everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, let me show you what these indicators can do. I'm looking at Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus one money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Now, as we talked about Thursday and Friday of last week, we were expecting a breakdown from the symmetrical triangle pattern. This is exactly what we got. And on the 4-hour time frame, as whale money drops, I think we could drop as far down as, let's check out the metric value here, about 17. That's really, really low, but it is absolutely possible. As that happens, we should see the price of Bitcoin drop as well, at least to the structure support of about $40,000. Keep in mind though, 4-hour is just a small picture. We need to pay attention to the 1-day time frame here. Whale money is still very much in the middle of its chart and actively dropping. Once again, as we saw in the metric chart, if we drop below this structure support, which we are actively testing at this moment, this will result in a significantly larger move down. And another point, heading over the Bitcoin futures, on this chart, we see a major orange bar. Now, this orange bar actually represents a gap in futures. Most often what's going to happen is the price is going to drop all the way through in order to fill this gap. Back here, let me show you an example of what this looks like. We saw a major gap, but what the price did was shoot up just to barely surpass that level and then drop back down. This is a gap fill, and the gap on the futures chart sits between $40,430 and $39,285. If we go to the Bitcoin charts again, you're going to notice that we do not have structure support near the $39,000 level. So we need to look a little bit lower right about here, exactly $38,000. Now from the current price, this is a drop of about 8.68%. We need to watch out. And one last thing, if we head to the 1-week time frame, we're seeing that price versus one money flow is extremely high. Trades in favor is maxed out with a 99% chance of a drop or squeeze. If we receive a sell signal, we should be expecting pretty significant moves to the downside. Right over here, price versus one money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. Price versus one money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. Price versus one money flow high, trades in favor locally high, sell signal, significant move down. Extremely consistent pattern as we've moved through this last bear market, and I think that's going to hold true. The $45,000 level may be the top for 2023, and we may see some significant drops moving into 2024. Of course, we'll keep everyone updated, but in order to get the best possible data, you need to be paying very close attention to these indicators, especially right now where whale money is going. If we bounce off of this structure support, expect moves up. If we break below this, expect massive moves to the downside. It's as simple as that. You need to be paying attention to these indicators. They are exactly what have helped us earn 110 wins, 0 losses on our scalping trade strategy. And you can get them for a massive sale up to $650 off. Check this out. You cannot afford to miss it. Once again, links are in the description down below. Scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to the Christmas sale page. Members get a massive $250 off. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than without one. Access that coupon code here for your first $250 off, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that Christmas code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, and combined with the Christmas sale, you get a full $650 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and do not miss out on tomorrow's masterclass video. Stay tuned.